Welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your bio on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. It's quick, simple, and a great way to express yourself to your friends, communities, and servers. So let's get started step by step. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, head down to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll see your username and profile picture. Right next to that, there's a little gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings. Now you're inside your user settings. From here, click on the option that says My Account. This section is where you can manage all your personal information, including your username, email address, and of course, your profile details. Next, look for the button that says Edit User Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to change your profile picture, banner, and display name. But what we want to focus on for now is adding your bio. Scroll down a little until you find the section labeled About Me. This is your bio area, a perfect spot to write a little something about yourself. It could be your interests, a favorite quote, or even just a fun description that shows off your personality. Once you type in your bio, take a quick moment to make sure it looks the way you want. Then, don't forget the most important step. Save your changes. Just click the Save button at the bottom, and your new bio will instantly be updated on your Discord profile. And that's it. You've just personalized your Discord account even more by adding a bio. Now, whenever people click on your profile, they'll see that little piece of information you've shared. It's a simple touch, but it makes your profile stand out in any server. Thanks for watching.